everybody wants. So I'm trying to make sure I don't cook too little, neither too much, you know? Just right. Oh, yeah. I have it here. Right here. I'm going to put on the macaroni now. Everybody say it's serious. Cantankerous and dangerous. I'm using some panini macaroni. I'm going to make a macaroni salad as well. So do some honey. So do some of it honey and spicy. Because I really don't eat barbecue. But I don't think I have any onion. I think I ran out of onion. And the way I bought, let me see, let me check. I bought onion. But the real onion, I think I ran out of it. Let me see. I think I saw some onion in here. Or I could do half of it sweet and spicy sauce, because I have a sweet and spicy sauce. You're right. I can do half sweet and spicy and half barbecue. Let me do that then. I heard what you're saying. I heard what you just said. Yeah, I have sweet and spicy sauce. And actually I have a General Toss chicken. I have this, but it's for stir fry. But I'm gonna do some half of it sweet and spicy and half barbecue then. Yeah, thank you for that. So Lorena can get some if she wants. She's like, Mommy, you're cooking barbecue. I don't want none. I'm like, girl, you shouldn't want none. You just had food. But just in case later they want to come nibble, you know? Because now it's 7 o'clock. Before they go to bed, they can nibble on a piece of chicken and some salad. Yeah. Everybody move to the left. Hey, Gabby. Chicken over here. Can you have one? No. I'm cooking, man. You want a fried chicken? Oh, don't touch it, man. Yes, your aunt touch it, man. Let me go give it to you now. Your aunt touch it. Let me come putting your hands in my food, girl. Alright, man, just take it, man. Which one is this? Yeah, just come in the kitchen, come put. Guys, tell Gabby for me now, please. I had to take out my chicken and give it to her. You know? I know. From Colombia, you're watching from Colombia. What the heck is going on? How much time you gonna pass me a lick, little boy? Jesus! Like you literally. All right, let me see. Cause I know I'm not goddamn crazy. Like you bumped me like probably 2 or 3 times already, and I know that's what's up. Why are you walking so close?
Why is my mother?
I don't know. Wasn't he walking too close? Papa! If you walk and touch me one more time, may I the fuck you, yeah? Just walk and brush me one more time.
One more time.
And may I this fuck, may I this fuck in the pocket, yeah?
That fork is going right. Right.
That fork is going right? I don't know why he walking so close, bro. Gabby, play for what? You just get chicken and you want orange? Girl, what is wrong with you? Papa, if you bounce me one more time, boy.
I swear, Mom said.
Oh my God.
Papa, don't you get it?